I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I am at the BMW Zentrum today in Spartanburg, South Carolina. I cannot wait to show you this facility. Sadly, I can't show you inside the plant, but come and take the tour. I want to show off the cool models, the cool cars, and the reasons why you want to come as well.
Out of your video today, because if you post that thing, people are like, oh, I thought you were out sick for some things, right?
What are you doing?
We'll take delivery right here.
Yep. right, y'all, wrapping up. What a fantastic day here at the BMW Zentrum or Center. This beautiful facility. Sadly, we could not film inside the actual building 50 itself where they do all the manufacturing, but we got a chance to see some really great cars. Got to see actually how the cars are made. Talk about attention to detail. What a really cool experience, and I definitely suggest you come and check it out if you get a chance. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. That way you get notifications of upcoming events, new DIYs, tours like this. What a fantastic time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.